All right, team motivation Monday. Today I'm actually going to start off with rolling out my feet. I have these toe spacers here. If you don't have a pair, I definitely highly recommend you get them. So we're just going to put these on your toes. Basically like toe retainers. Go the other side. The other side. And I grab a tennis ball, not a lacrosse ball, because the lacrosse ball could be like pretty intense on your feet. So you grab it, roll out your feet. Anytime you feel like a really pinpoint, you hold it there for a little bit and then you grab it above and below it. But really important to take care of your feet because that's where everything stems from, right? Everything starts from your feet and goes all the way up. See my bruises. Bruises all over my legs here now. Curl your toes up and down. Same position to the other side. I'm going to do the mobility stuff today. Put these toe spacers on the entire time. Right there. Feel that spot. You just sink into it. Awesome. We're going to go through a ton of mobility, especially since I just competed this weekend. That's basically all I got in me. So we start with a count all the way up. Go up, down, and reach the room. Right. Up, down, center. The other way. Down. So circle the neck around to the right. Yes. Down. Drop down, downward dog. Heel. Roll it forward. Down, chest up, toes up, swipe side to side. We're going to keep repeating that. So all the way up, pull it out. Down, chest up, toes up, side to side. Side to side. Somewhere in the back. Left hand. Take that left arm, circle it around. Drop it down. Hold it. bring it back down, and then go to the bottom. And then just repeat that cycle around a little bit, around, back to the bottom. Around it. If not, you can just back circle to the other side. My hip space just popped out. Circle it around. Can't go down this low, that's okay. Just go to where you can. So puck leg outside of this hand, get down low, sway it side to side. Turns hot. Left leg bend it, right leg bend it, like straight up, down, circle around. Down. So same for the other side. Down, circle it around. So take a seat, take your hand right back, jump for a crab, stretch it. Down so you can circle it around. Left leg 90 degrees, back leg 90 degrees. Use your fingers, rotate towards the ceiling. Make 90s really twisted. Pancakes, you're going to roll back. Towards the ceiling. Roll forward, pancake. Keep breathing, sink it down each time. So let's use the top, stay in that straddle. Left arm up, your right arm up. Your left arm's gonna try and go to the front. You're trying to grab up to the ceiling. Sweeping around. Same thing on the other side. Same thing on the other side. Flat on your back, take your right leg across the body.
I think that's
the opposite side. Shift to the other side, hold it. Side. And then flash, then top of the front side of the leg. Yeah. If you feel like you needed more, you can always do this again, but nice quick mobility type situation. Some nice toe spacers. I've put the link to the toe spacers down below if you want them. Really good to rub out your feet. You can literally do that every single day before you get started with anything that you're doing. And see you all next Monday.